Welcome! Moneris Go POS Retail is an out-of-the-box retail solution that provides your retail business with a reliable and easy-to-use platform to sell products in-store and online. Go Retail is fully integrated into the Moneris Go portal, so the first step is to sign in to the Go portal. To access the Go portal, open your web browser and go to www.monerisgo.com. If you have not signed up for the Go portal before and don't have a password, click Sign Up. On the Sign Up page, enter your name and email address, then click Sign Up. The Go portal will send you an email message with a link to activate your account. If you do not see the message, check your junk folder. Open the message in your inbox and click on the activation link. On the activation page, create a password in the password field. Passwords are case sensitive and must include 8 to 16 characters, at least one letter, at least one number, and at least one special character. Now re-enter your password in the field provided, then click Activate. Now that you've signed up for the Go portal, let's proceed with signing in. To sign in, enter your email address and password for the Go portal, then click Sign In. After signing into the Go portal, the Stores page appears. To add your store, click the Add Store button. On the Add Store panel, enter your store ID, then enter your 13-digit merchant ID. You can find this information in your welcome email from Moneris. Click Submit. The terms and conditions appear. Scroll through the terms and click Accept to continue. When the dashboard appears, it means you have successfully added your store. Congratulations! You're ready to start setting up your Go Retail store. For help with setting up your store and processing transactions, visit our support page at moneris.com/support and look for Moneris Go POS Retail. Thanks for watching.